Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at home. Okay, let's start today's class. See, today we are going to discuss about different input devices. Like in previous classes, as a part of hardware, we have discussed about different type of secondary storage media, in which we have discussed about CD, DVD, hard disk, magnet, Blu-ray disk, memory stick, and floppy disk, pen drive, and about cloud computing. Okay, and today we will discuss about different input devices. Okay, so let's start. So the devices used with computer system, the input devices, basically keyboard, mouse, scanner, trackball, joystick, light pen, touch screen, OCR, optical card reader, MICR, magnetic ink character reader, or character recognition, optical barcode reader, voice recognition devices, and OMR, optical mark reader. These are some input devices which are used with computer system for taking different kinds of input. Okay, let's discuss one by one. See, I have taken this picture from your content book, so we can discuss easily from this. Okay, so input devices. I hope you all knows the meaning of input devices. Yes, the devices through which we give instructions or through which we give data to the computer system. Those devices are called input devices. Okay. Generally, all input devices it refers to an equipment. Okay. So let's discuss one by one. The very important input device used with computer system is keyboard. Without keyboard, we cannot give input to the computer system. Mainly as an input we give data, we give text or numbers as input. So all these things are performed using a keyboard. Okay. So what is a keyboard? A keyboard is a typewriter like device which has many keys on it. So a keyboard is a combination of different keys. Each key has its own work. Like some keys are used for typing alphabets, some keys are used for typing numbers, some keys have their specific purpose. Like arrow keys are used to move up, down, left, and right on a page. Okay, escape key is used to take us one step back or take us out of from certain condition. Okay, like space bar key is used for giving space, enter key is used to come to next line or to choose any option. Okay, so there are many keys on computer with different purpose. And the caps lock key is used for enabling writing in capital letter. Okay, delete key or backspace key is used for deleting. Okay, and many functions keys from F1 to F12. There are 12 function keys on a keyboard which has a specific task to do. A standard keyboard has 104 keys on it. Okay, so now come to mouse. Mouse is another very important device. It's a handheld pointing device which is controlled with a hand. Okay, normally a computer mouse has 3 or 4 buttons on it. Okay, mainly it has 2 or 3 buttons on it. Some have two and some have three also. Like in the center you will see a scroll bar using which we can scroll inside a document. Okay, a mouse is a pointing device which is used to select any object, which is used for moving any object, which is used for opening any file folder or anything. Okay, so with the help of mouse we can make drawings also. Okay, if you are working with any software in which you want to draw or in which you want to create something, so for that mouse is a very important device. Okay, it is generally has 2 or 3 buttons on it, and it may or may not have a wheel. Means the wheel is depends on the design of the mouse. Okay. See here in the note part, the inventor of the computer mouse is Doug Engelbart. In 1963, he has developed the computer mouse. Okay, now come to microphone. In short, it is called mic. See here we are dealing with the sound. If you want to record or if you want to insert sound inside in the system, so for that we use microphone. Means the microphone takes the input in the form of sound, in the form of voice. Okay, we can send sound input to the computer through a special input device called microphone, or mic in short. A mic converts the sound received into computer's format, which is called digitalized sound or digital audio. Okay, a mic can work if your computer has special hardware known as sound card. So for the working of microphone, is very compulsory that the sound card must be inserted inside your system. Okay, and if you want to make any video chat or call using internet, so for that also microphone is very important, because using microphone you can send your voice from your source to the person with whom you want to talk. Now come to another important device is scanner. See, with the help of scanner we can give pictures in the form of input. Okay, so a scanner is a device similar to photocopier machine. Like the photocopier machine, it gives the photocopy of the hard copy that you keep on it. Similarly, a scanner creates an electronic form of the printed image. Okay, the image or the paper that you will keep on the scanner, so it will scan there in the form of image, and it will create an electronic form of that printed image. Okay, which can later be manipulated, changed and modified according to the requirement. Means once you can scan the picture and then you can modify it according to your need. Okay, and if you want to send it somewhere, so normally you can scan and send. Okay, scanner comes with variety of sizes from handheld model to desktop model. Like here we are talking about types of scanner. Okay, scanner comes in three variations. First is handheld scanner. It is a very small size scanner which you can take in your hand and you can scan small pictures or images. Next is flatbed scanner. This is the very large and expensive scanner, and it is used when you want to scan a very high definition or high quality images and very big images. Okay, so for that purpose flatbed print scanners are used. These scanners have a flat surface on which the printed image to be scanned is placed. Means they are very big in size, and the image that you want to scan, that will also be very big in size and quality. So you will place that image over the scanner and it will scan that picture. Third type is the drum scanner. As the name indicating, in this type of scanner a rolling drum is used. Okay, so this is the medium size scanner with a rolling drum. Okay, the sheet that we want to scan is fed through the scanner so that the drum roll over the entire sheet to be scanned. The drum will roll over the sheet and it will scan the whole sheet. Okay, now come to some other devices. Concept keyboard is a new kind of keyboard. Okay, see, many normal keyboards come with the concept keyboard included. Means they have normal keyboard is there plus the concept keyboard is there also. Basically in concept keyboard what happens, they give some keys for specified or dedicated function. Okay, like here you can see they can give example like a restaurant where there is a key for each different food item that might be brought. See, here it is given. This is these are the keys which are showing any item. So by clicking on that particular button you can select that item. So these types of keyboard are specially designed for specific purpose. Okay, now come to next one, which is touch screens. Touch screens nowadays is the very popular input media. We all uses touch screen mobiles, and touch screen monitors can be seen in the ATMs also. Okay, so the touch screen, it can detect where on the screen surface you are touching. So by your touch is sensed by your touch. Touch screen is often used in mobile devices such as phones and tablets. where you would not have a space for traditional keyboard. So using your touch sense, you can do type, you can do select, and you can do, although you can operate a whole system. Okay. Next is barcode reader. Barcode reader, it is a special device which is specially made for reading the barcodes. Okay, a barcode reader is used to read barcodes which can be found on a product. You might have seen at the back of any product where many black colors, thin or thickened lines will be there. Okay, so that is called a barcode. So these barcode readers are used to read that barcode which is normally found on the any product. The barcode use lasers to identify the position and thickness of the bars. On the basis of those bars, these barcode reader read that barcode. Okay, next is magnetic ink character reader. Magnetic ink character readers. See, you might have seen some kinds of card which have like the security cards and the hotel rooms. Okay, and credit cards. Okay, so it has magnetic strips. There are some magnetic strip on these types of card. Okay, and you have seen that in a device these cards are scrolled and you can, these cards are swiped, and all the information the device collects all the information related to that particular card. So magnetic strip reader are used for reading the magnetic ink, magnetic strips. Okay, some other input devices are OMR. Like you have heard the name OMR sheet. You all have heard about the OMR sheet. So it stands for optical mark reader. So the OMR sheet is read with the help of this OMR, optical mark reader. It's also a device which is designed positions such as the OMR sheets you use to answer questions on a multiple choice example on a survey. Like in other in exams also we fill the OMR sheet. Okay, so that OMR sheet is read through this OMR readers, means optical mark readers. So wherever you darken the place, so basically what happened in the process of OMR sheet, where we darken the circle, so in this device the light is placed on the paper, and wherever we darken the circle, so from there the light reflect back, and where we have left the circle, so the light doesn't reflect from that part. So this is how they identify which answer you have marked on the paper. Next is OCR, optical character reader, that can be seen in a printed document converted into a editable form. OCR, optical character reader. It can read the printed document and it can convert it into the editable form, means it will read the document in the form that you can make changes in that document. MICR stands for magnetic ink character reader. Magnetic ink character reader that can read the magnetized ink characters, as you can see on a bank check. If you have seen the bank check, so there you will found some special kind of code. Okay, so that type of code is read with the help of magnetic ink character reader. Okay, the last one is light pen. See, light pen is a special kind of input device which is used with a special screen. Okay, it is a light sensitive input device shaped like a pen, and it is used to draw on a computer screen to make menu selections. Means you cannot use that light pen with your normal monitor. Special types of screens are used for using light pen with it. Okay, so that's all about input devices. In the next class we will discuss about different types of output devices. Okay, so revise the topics well. Okay, take care, bye.